Today we're doing steak and green beans, but we're doing it the best way you can. What I've got here is a whole beef tenderloin. I'm going to clean it up and cut some steaks off it that are going to go on the charcoal grill. And we're doing some Parmesan mushroom green beans. So the way I trim this up, I left the chain on today, like you might in a retail setting if you're trying to sell it all together as a steak. So what I'm going to do next is going to be the exact opposite. I'm not only going to take the chain off, I'm going to take these parts off, and we got plans for that later. For today, I just need the main part. The ones I'm going to cook today, you go big. Yeah, that's them. So here's our chain and our other excess pieces. Just compress that all together. Tie it up. There you have it. All right, get these seasoned up and get them to the grill. Just going to put a good amount of salt because these are some really thick steaks. Salt all sides, black pepper, and garlic powder. For our side, I'm going to show you guys how to make green beans not suck. Got our skillet good and hot. We've got a tablespoon and a half of white truffle olive oil. You can use regular olive oil. Go ahead and put that in once the skillet's hot. Add in about 8 ounces of portabella mushrooms first. You let those cook for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to add in our green beans. You gotta eat your greens so you can get your meat. Now you go ahead and add your green beans. Then we're just going to cover it and let it sit for a few minutes to soften up. These are to our desired doneness. I'm just going to add a little bit of garlic powder. But I got to hurry up and steak the wolf because he's going to go on strike after that green bean if not. Catch. The green beans and mushrooms are done. We're just going to finish them with some Parmesan right before serving. Here we have our filet. There's not a lot of fat in it, so we want to hard sear it, but not let it go over a medium rare. We pulled it off the grill at about 110, knowing it'll rise to about 120. Let's check it out. Yeah, it looks nice. That is going to be absolutely delicious. Before I get into this, I'm going to try our side. Parmesan mushroom green beans. See how we did. Truffle oil comes through, which is amazing. But even if you don't have that, Portabella and Parmesan flavor makes those green beans real nice. Yeah, that's great. I'm gonna eat a bunch of that. But the main event, see how our tenderloin turned out. We hard seared it, got the middle to about 110, pulled it off knowing it would climb to about 120 as it rested. See how we did. I don't do tenderloin a lot. Ribeye is my go-to, but when you do it like this, the hard sear, the seasoned well, rare in the middle. I don't know, man. That's one of the best things I've ever eaten. That's phenomenal. Well, if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you can, try this out. It's awesome. Thanks.